So I recently ordered from Rosemary & Co. a pocket palette and a pocket palette case. The order came in really well boxed from Rosemary & Co. with a nice sticker and a little catalogue with all of their brushes and a guide to all the different shapes, so it's pretty cool too. I've been having fun looking through that. So here's the kit. First up is this Demi palette. It's half the size of their regular pocket palette, and I just thought it would be a great size for my out and about sketching over the summer, and I really wanted to try out some new colours. I've been looking at the Liz Steele's essential kind of 6 colours that she uses for her foundations course, and I thought that this would be a great way to try that out really. So it comes with this, all of these little pans that they it's like a magnetic base, so they just snap in and stay in place. I also ordered a few other little bits and bobs, different pans and mixing palette, but I'm going to have a different video showing you that. Here is the actual case. I can't remember what it's called, but I'll put everything in the description below. So this is just the sort of A6 size, or their pocket case. Oh, there you go, Pocket Art Toolkit. And this didn't come with anything in it. You can order some with palettes in them and basic sketchbook and watercolor brush and stuff, but I just ordered this empty because I already have enough of those tools. So here I'm just sort of showing you that you can pop in a pen. It fits an A6 sketchbook, which is great. This is half the reason I got it, because I just wanted a bag or a case that I could actually put everything into and not have lots of different bits kind of rattling around in my bag. The idea is that this is just going to sit in my handbag all summer, so that I've got a permanent kit to take with me. So yeah, you can just see that the Demi palette slots in on the side on the right there, and then you can fit a number of tools in on the left. So I've got a water brush and a couple of pencils. And then it just zips up really neatly and compactly. I'm really happy with it.